Introducing the Live's electric aquarium vacuum gravel cleaner. This innovative device is truly a game changer for your aquarium maintenance. Say goodbye to the hassle of manual siphoning. With its powerful 110-volt/32 water pump, experience a maximum flow rate of 528 gallons per hour for quick water changes and thorough cleaning. Maintenance has never been this effortless. Simplifying your cleaning routine, this all-in-one solution washes sand, removes waste, filters, and changes water, all while prioritizing the safety of your beloved aquatic pets. Thanks to its high-quality 2-meter hose, our vacuum can drain a gallon every 30 seconds, cutting your water change time by over 50%. Enjoy a cleaner aquarium in record time. Assemble and detach attachments quickly and easily to suit your cleaning needs. Simply press the handle and watch as water is drawn in effortlessly. No stress, just clean. Designed for aquariums ranging from 10 to 200 gallons, it's adaptable for your specific needs. Just a reminder, it's not suitable for outdoor pond cleaning. Rest easy with our comprehensive warranty and a 30-day refund policy. Our support is here 24/7 to help you. Cleaning your aquarium has never felt this secure. If you're impressed and ready to buy, check out the link in the description. Don't forget to subscribe for more amazing product reviews and like this video.